if you're looking at percentages, the most common injuries are probably the kind of classic muscle strains or ankle sprains, especially, in basketball, there's a lot of close contact with jumping and landing. So it's really common to come down on someone's foot and roll or twist your ankle. So that's probably the most common injury that we see. The one injury that everyone, hears the most about and talks about are ACL injuries. And that's classically what people talk about when they blew out their knee. There's multiple ligaments that can be injured in the knee, but the ACLs probably get the most press and really common in basketball, especially women's basketball. So Achilles injuries are definitely a big deal. We do see them in the younger athletes. You see them in kind of the professional arena as well. It's really common in the weekend warriors. So, the classic is the 40-year-old guy who has not been playing basketball in a while, decides to go out and play a pickup game and feels a pop in the back of his calf. And so I think it's a combination of starting a new activity that they haven't done in a while. In basketball, because of how just the game is played with very quick, sudden twisting movements, a lot of jumping and landing, there is a lot of stress on the Achilles. So that is a very common thing that we see, unfortunately. And it's a devastating injury. Recovery from that can be up to a year, even longer than ACL injuries. So, and that's even in professional athletes who, their job is to rehab every single day. So it just takes a long time to fully recover and get back to athletics after that injury. This is definitely something that's changed even more from when I was a college athlete, where there's always been a focus on strength training, being in the weight room, getting stronger. And I think we're learning more and more that the flexibility and functional training is such a big role along with strength training. So it's not just getting stronger in the weight room, it's working on your mechanics of whatever sport that you're playing, working on flexibility to prevent other injuries, and just kind of trying to find the right balance.